We talked with multiple clients who say this company operates solely on Facebook and doesn't meet clients in person. And by the time the IRS issues a refund, taxpayers are learning large portions of it are being directly deposited into the company's account. That's how Tiffany Maddox and Jonisha Miller say they felt when realizing their tax refunds were short several thousands of dollars.
It put me in a situation where, I almost lost my apartment.
Maddox says when she came across this ad for Elite Tax Services LLC on Facebook, charging just $199, she thought it was legit.
They have the IRS logo on it.
The company advertises multi-$1,000 cash advances in a matter of seconds.
If they're promising you a large tax amount or they're promising, oh, I could get it to you very fast, very quickly, that's another red flag.
Simone Williams with the Better Business Bureau says the BBB started investigating Elite Tax Services LLC after Channel 2 Action News shared concerns from local taxpayers. Those complaints adding to several the BBB had already received. The BBB gave the company an F rating and is warning consumers to stay away.
Let's go, Mommy.
Tiffany Maddox says the company asked for her ITIN. It's an individual tax preparer identification number.
For a business, I thought that was kind of weird.
The BBB says that's a red flag. Legit tax preparation businesses are federally required to have a preparer tax identification number, or PTIN, in order to file taxes.
They should be very concerned because without that, the IRS can't track them.
The BBB found Elite Tax Services LLC is using the individual's taxpayer identification number.
They actually get the filer to sign off on those tax returns, so it looked like it was self-filed.
Once the IRS issues a refund, the victims discovered the funds were actually direct deposited into the company's account, not the customers.
When I got my taxes, I was actually missing $2,000.
Maddox says she only received $4,000 after Elite Tax Services LLC told her she would get $6,000. Hampton resident Jonisha Miller says the same thing happened to her, only she was promised an $8,400 tax refund.
Only deposit I got was $4,000, something like, what happened to the $84?
Both women say after confronting the company, they were ghosted.
My number was blocked.
The BBB says ghost companies open and close each tax season.
They reopen under a different name, under a different address, or under a different phone number.
I tried calling multiple numbers listed for the company.
Please enter your PIN.
Tax documents list this Cobb County office building as the address for the company. Once inside, there wasn't an office suite listed for the business.
The property management that we spoke to said that they haven't been there for 6 months.
The IRS told us federal law prevents it from disclosing if it is investigating this company, but did provide some consumer guidance. The IRS recommends people thoroughly research the company first, review all personal details and direct deposit information, never sign a blank tax form, and never have any portion of your refund directly deposited into your tax preparer's account.
We trusting you with our information and you just basically stealing from us.
The BBB says if you got a lower refund than expected from this company, file a complaint with the BBB, the IRS, and the Secretary of State's office. Tiffany Maddox filed a complaint with the IRS. She recently received a letter saying the agency needs an additional 60 days to respond.